Happy birthday, mommy! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Video manimik. What's up guys? So, Haggard. Ay, you're super fat.
No,
oh.
I'm not.
Do you have a vlog?
It's a vlogger.
Ay, English ba na ito? Bisaya mo ko. Okay, hindi ko pa tingnan buhok guys. So maligo na ako guys kay kanang kuhan sana. Prepare na kasi sila. We only have like less than an hour to go. So maligo na may. Maligo na. Ako yung unang kay 1 hour hindi siya maligo. Ako like 15 minutes or 30 minutes. But wait, ako lang siya maligo. Kasi Auntie Olive kay pretty na kayo.
Hi.
Maligo na ako in 3, 2, 1. Okay, manakong ligo guys. And I am fresh. By the way, I am CJ Estrada and welcome back to my channel. So today is the birthday of my aunt, Mommy, LITA. And dili mi diri sa balay mag-party. Ato mi sa Frosty Bites. Diri ko ato man din king lighting na, di ba? Na ay ring lights na ati. Theme color sa party is peach. And then if you watch my previous vlog, this is the polo that we were looking sa Robinson's Beach. Diba? Bagay. So I'm gonna take you to the party later on, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share fish lang. Fish. Ligo na eh.
Hi guys.
Kumusta ang girls?
Just woke up. Sure lang.
Just woke up. Yes, yes. What's up guys? So, so the beautiful sunset out there, and we are now here at the Frosty Bites Garden Hall. It is Iligan City, but I don't know particularly asa sa Iligan City. And musulod namin sa venue. Let's go and see what's in here. Break muna. Okay. Wala ko CR. Back to the party. Wala pa rin kasugod eh. Pero ang sugod na o pangabot ang mga bisita. Wala pa nangabot ang ubang mga bisita. Wala pa nasugod ang program. Muna yung sa ang inyong dito na diri. Likod na ko ang mga background singer. And they're singing a beautiful song. Pahulayan niyong tito kay Kapoy o lakaw-lakaw. Pero like and subscribe. I wish guys you can hear me because akong background kay kanang nagkuhan man kanta-kanta man, pero sige lang. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Nadin ako bang kapagumakon? Hello sa vlog! Hello! Kapriti eh! Dali! Ang inyong dito kay Kapoy lakaw. Hi!
Ang vlogger.
Yeah, share peace and love.
Share peace and love.
Tara. Pretty.
Hi. Ibabatakan. Hi, Mayora.
Ay, abi na, okay sila. Ay, tuloy sa amin.
So, yung vlog niya ako mga friend ng mga makeup artist do.
Nasaan ba?
Hello!
Hello.
Pretty. Perfect ba? Isa mo ka?
Hi guys.
Hi guys, my name is Iya. Ana. Okay. Hi guys, my name is Iya. Welcome
Hi
to
guys. Sandwich and love. Ako dala sa ubos.
Guys, my name is Iya. Welcome to Mana? Makakaw na kami. Kain na na. Third wheel. Third wheel. Oh.
Perfect. I found a love for me. Done just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet, and never knew someone waiting for me.
Hi!
SPR only.
SPR only.
Ako anong show?
Ibang show?
Ako daw bayran. Ako bayran.
Napilitsun ko.
Tina.
So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and